Black and white photography challenge. I have decided to add in a few photography challenges, some practical exercises designed to take your photography further. A couple of years ago, I set my camera image review to black and white. At the time, it was more of an experiment. However, over the next 3 months I saw a dramatic improvement in my photography. It was such a great exercise that I challenge you to do the same, and I am confident that you will see an improvement in your photography too. At the point of capture, color is nothing more than a distraction. There is nothing that we can do to improve or change the color during capture. So why confuse our senses by reviewing it on the back of our camera? Strong photos are made up of interesting subjects, shapes, lines and tones. Color is just the icing on the cake. However, all that pretty icing can often distract us from the strong subject, shapes, lines that we should be searching for. Have you ever had your camera set up with a strong composition, only to end up chasing the colorful sky in another direction? If so, you have fallen victim to the color distraction. Chances are you would have captured a better photo had you stayed with the original strong composition. Remove all color and we are left with two elements to create interesting photography: light and contrast. Contrast being the way light and dark interact within the frame. Through the process of creating appealing black and white compositions, you will gain a much better understanding of the use of light and contrast in creating interesting photographs. The challenge: shoot in black and white. Tip: if you shoot in RAW, you can change the picture settings in your camera menu to monochrome. In doing this, the LCD on your camera will review in black and white. However, once you import in Lightroom, the color will return. If you shoot in JPEG, you will have to commit 100% to black and white for the challenge. However, the knowledge you gain is well worth the exercise. I shot with my picture settings on monochrome for roughly 1 year. That's a little extreme. Perhaps a couple of weeks or a month would give you a great understanding of the importance of light and contrast within your photography. If you enjoyed this blog, you will love today's special offer. This full in-depth advanced composition course is currently 93% off today if you want to take a look. Once you arrive at the advanced levels of composition, it is no longer about leading lines or natural framing. It is not the rule of thirds or the golden ratio. Advanced composition is the ability to use these guides to arrange the elements and create a story that has the power to communicate our thoughts, stories, passions, and emotions to our audience through our photography. It also comes with a generous 365-day happiness guarantee, so there's no risk in trying it. P.S. Also try coupon code FINALSALE to save even more.